Hi guys, hope you're well, having a good day. Welcome to my another vlog. Today we're gonna make chickpeas and black eyed peas. You need one. I think you need, if you want a fresh one, you need 1 cup of black eyed peas, 1 cup of chickpeas, and if you want a can, you need 1 can of chickpeas and you need 1 can of black eyed peas. You need 1 cup of oil. Vegetable oil, any oil, you can use that. Cinnamon powder and all the herbs, masalas, you got that. Everything you need that. And you need also chopped up tomatoes, 1 whole tomatoes, 1 whole onions, 1 garlic, and half a ginger. Okay, with this one, if you want to use a fresh one, 1 cup of black eyed peas, 1 cup of chickpeas, you need to soak them overnight and then drain them out, and then or you can boil them in the water. It'll take like an hour. When they're soft enough, they're done. Drain them out. Okay, let's start now. We set on our gas. Okay. Oops. Whatever. You need oil. Okay. Chopped up tomato and onion, garlic and ginger. Mix it well. When it's simmering, then you start tablespoon of salt. Let it simmer. Now 1 tablespoon of salt. I like to put 3 actually tablespoon. 3. 2 tablespoon of chilies. 1, 2. Half a spoon of turmeric. And you need, run out of this, you need, I think that's like 1 full and half spoon of Kashmiri based mix. You need 1 tablespoon of paprika. And with this one, coriander, we'll use that in the middle. And cinnamon powder in the middle as well. I got cumin seeds and I just grind them up. So we're going to put them in the last. So let them mix all of them. Alright guys, I forgot to mention, I add some green chilies, maybe 4 or 5 small green chilies. I forgot to add that because I like it spicy, as you can tell. Now we're going to add our chickpeas and black eyed peas. In they go. For the seasoning, actually, you can add coriander, but my husband doesn't like eating coriander on the seasoning, so I don't know, it's weird with that one. So I want to bring that in for the seasoning. So mix it very well. Okay. In a low heat. Put lid on. Keep on checking. Leave it for 5 minutes. Keep on checking it. See if it's cooked in middle of it, or it's been cooked. Then we put our coriander and cinnamon ground powder and cumin seeds. Okay guys. Now we're gonna have coriander, teaspoon, not tablespoon. I always get that wrong. Okay, 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3. Then we need to add cinnamon powder as well. That's a teaspoon as well. Mix it. Wait for 2 more minutes. You can make it watery one and you can make it dry one. And if you want to make a watery one, boil a kettle, 2 cups of water, boiled one. Just put it in, let it boil. How do you like it? Thicker, more waterier? Just your own taste. Just do that. But obviously we like it as dry. Okay, after 2 minutes now, I'm gonna have my lemon seeds in here. Garnish. There you go. That's it, guys. Turn off the gas and it's ready to eat. You can have it with bread, you can have it with naan, you can have it with roti, you can have it with paratha. It's a very healthy, very protein meal, and you can have it with, it's for vegans, vegetarians, you know. It's really nice. If you guys do like my channel, do please subscribe and do like, please. And if you want me to continue making more vlogs of food, I will do that. And you take care, you have a nice day. Bye.